Hello, my name is Drew Regner. I'm an instructor here at Benteh STEAM Academy, and I would like to introduce 4 of our camps that we're having this summer. We're having our sewing camp, our subsistence camp, Sukdu camp, and wild and well camp. Our subsistence camp, we're going to be focusing on subsistence skills, such as what to do with salmon, what to do with small game when we get it, going outdoors, finding traditional medicines, traditional plants, and learning about the Knik Tribal Values. Our Sewing Basics camp, students will be learning how to operate and use a sewing machine, learning how to hand sew, and creating small sewing projects. Our Sukdu camp will be focusing on traditional skills such as storytelling, carving story knives, working with fish leather, a lot of different cultural objects and making cultural artifacts and art, as well as going on weekly field trips, doing plant identification, and learning about the land that we live on. Our Wild and Well camp will be going outdoors, enjoying the great outdoors that we live in, and we'll be biking, hiking, kayaking through all of our different waterways, as well as learning about our edible plants, how to pick them, how to preserve them, and what to do with them. During these camps, we expect that students show up and participate by coming prepared for class. If it's outdoor rec, making sure that you have the proper clothing, but just coming here, being ready to learn, being ready to go explore, being ready to have your hands on, doing all sorts of different science, different projects, and just having fun. The general takeaways from these camps is students are going to learn different ancestral skills. They're going to be mixing those with modern science. They're going to be creating lots of fun, different take-home projects that they're going to do. They're going to learn how to identify plants. They're going to learn how to live a subsistence lifestyle.